Now, we know that the formula for the circumference of the circle is pi times diameter, or pi times 2 times radius. So this first problem here, I'm given the diameter is 6. So using my calculator, I'm going to do pi times the diameter, and that comes out to be 18.849555592. In the question it says give your answer to one decimal place, so I'm going to put in 18.8. I'll do the same, but this time for this one I'm using the diameter as 5. Now this question here, I've got radius is 6, so I'm going to go 2 times pi times, and then this time the radius. So the difference is it's pi times diameter, or 2 times pi times radius. Press equals. Now my answer is 37.6. The number after 6 is a 9, which means that it's getting a 5. I round up. 37.7 on this one here. Same problem with radius over here. The last two I'm being given the circumference. Now I know that the circumference is 2 times pi times r, and I know it's pi times d. So here I've got to find d. So if I'd done pi times d equals 30, then if I do 30 divided by pi, I'll get d. It's the inverse operation. So 30 divided by pi. So the diameter is 9.5. The number after 5 is a 4, so it stays as a 5. Here I'm finding the radius. So same method to start with, 58 divided by pi. That's the diameter, and I remember that the radius is half that, so I divide that by 2, leaving me with 9.2. Okay, I've got those ones correct. There's 2 that I haven't done there. Question 2, I know that the bike has diameter, so the distance from here to here is 90. The counter shows 100 revolutions. I've got to work out how far that Billy has travelled. So I need to know this distance here, the circumference, and then I need to times that by 100. So using my calculator, I'm going to take my diameter, 90. I'm going to times it by pi. That's the circumference of the wheel. Then turns 100 times. Give me that answer. Now that answer is in centimeters because the diameter was in centimeters. To turn it into meters, I need to divide by 100 because there are 100 centimeters in a meter. So my answer is 282.7. It says the nearest meter, so it's not 282, 283. Let's check I've got that correct. Okay, so that one's correct.